Attorney L. Chris Stewart of Stewart Trial Attorneys, along with Attorney Josh Palmer, and we proudly represent the family of Willie Bonner. It's a sad occasion that we actually have to be here, but it was something that the entire city knew would happen again. The Nichiha plant has notoriously gotten away with multiple instances of tragedies happening at that facility. And how many people have to die before something's done? OSHA's doing a great job. They're investigating this also. They're warning them, they're finding them, but how many people have to die down here? Willie, an Army veteran, a great father. One of his children is here today. The other two will be here tomorrow. His sisters, brothers, he's gone for absolutely no reason. And the biggest problem right now is, of course, technology has to advance with robotic this and robotic that, but we need to make sure that human beings don't die in the process. Why did this happen? And as you'll hear from the family, the biggest disrespectful thing is the Nichiha company has not contacted the family. They put out a press release to all of you, but they didn't even call. Clearly saying he wasn't an employee of theirs, that he worked for another company, but at least have the respect to call this family. Maybe going that route could have avoided them hiring lawyers and being upset and hurt. But this has to stop in Macon. City officials have to step in. Something's got to stop because workers are dying. And how many more people are going to end up like Mr. Bonner? His daughter will have a few words right now. If you want to get closer so the mic. Yep. And just introduce yourself to.
I'm Ronique Brown. I'm Willie's oldest daughter. We're just saddened. It's a loss. My dad was taken away from us for no reason. And we demand answers today. I can't.
It's okay. Let me just introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Ruby Young Bonner. I'm Willie ninth, the child. My mama had 9 kids. Willie is 7. I'm number 9. Right now I'm grieving because my brother went to work. He went to Safe Haven, not killed in a car accident. He was killed at work. The family is really going through something because he went going to make an earned living and he never came home. Why? Nobody called us. Nobody even had the knowledge from that company to call us to tell us that he was injured. We got this through secondhand. Somebody that worked there called somebody else that called somebody else. That's not acceptable. So we need answers. We just want answers. We want my brother back.
Josh.
I'm from Macon, Georgia. This is my city, and I speak for the people when we say we had enough. We're tired of hearing people dying and being injured from this company. Something needs to be done. Willie's death is on their hands. And we won't rest until we get justice for this family. We need answers. This family deserves justice. And we're gonna demand it.
Yeah, it's very simple. As you know, if my law firm gets involved in a situation, it's serious. And you see the results of what's happening. For a fact, we've seen it before in multiple cases, someone else is going to be crippled or killed at that plant. They obviously aren't taking the recommendations by the government seriously. Why would you when you make over $1 billion a year? You don't have to listen to a $100,000 fine. So hopefully they'll listen to the lawsuit that will be coming. Why did the robotic arm malfunction and knock him onto the conveyor belt? Can they just tell us what exactly happened? We've heard that there is video of the incident. We would actually not even heard, we know there's video of the incident. We've been told that. Release that to you all. Release it to the family so that we can see what happened. But of course, their response, I'm sure, from the corporate lawyers that they'll have, is going to be, we don't comment on pending litigation. Don't let them get away with that. That's not a law. That's a way to say we don't comment on it because we'll say the wrong thing and upset the community or upset the lawsuit that's coming. But they can comment. They can say what happened. But we'll see if that occurs. Any questions before we wrap up?
You said that what efforts on the families have been taken to reach out to Nichiha? Like emails, calls, what have you all been doing?
You went up there. I called the human resource person at that plant. I never got a call back. I still haven't got a call back from that person. No calls from that person.
Yeah. And even Willie Bonner Jr., his son, we talked to him yesterday. He called up there multiple times and they wouldn't tell him anything.
So obviously from seeing, this family, this man was an American hero. He fought for our country. And kind of tell me the legacy that you want this man to be remembered by. What kind of a person was he?
He was jolly, very outgoing, very friendly, numerous friends. He loved his family. He loved family. Anytime he came home from Colorado, he would always go visit all family. Here in our surrounding counties, we had family, and he would always go see him. He was very photogenic. He loved to take pictures. Memories. We was looking at some of the photos he took when he was here. Memories. Oh, I can't tell you. He loved his family. He loved them. He loved them.
Do you have a message for Nichiha?
My
We want answers. We want answers. Nobody else should have to die like my dad did tragically. And it's sad.
Yeah, and it's not just Nichiha. There's also a situation where we'll be investigating who manufactured this robotic arm and this conveyor belt. Why didn't these things shut down when a human being is laying on the conveyor belt? That shouldn't happen. There's a lot of things that have to be answered, which we'll be investigating and sending our own experts in to investigate. But right now, they're forced to bury, like you said, an American hero, someone who served this country and didn't die, but yet goes to work to try and earn a living and is killed. That's absurd. It's absolutely absurd. And then with the history that this plant has down here, I'm not shocked that we're back down here. It's sad.
Now you mentioned the lawsuit. Is there any more details we can get on exactly what you all will be going after?
Once we get our investigation going and find out whatever they're hiding over there, at least tell the lawyers that we can come see the video. It's very simple ways that these situations can always be resolved. But when companies don't want to come forward and take care of someone, then it has to go the legal route. But as I told you, in this type of situation, they're looking at Mr. Bonner as just another incident on a checkoff that they'll walk away. Well, this family isn't walking away, and that's why we're here. And now it's a problem. All right, thank y'all.